A password reset does not always immediately restore access to a locked Pool Payday account, especially when the app still treats the account as restricted after the reset. The quickest fix is to separate the password problem from the account lock problem and check each one in order. By the end, you'll know what to check when your new password works but Pool Payday still refuses to let you into your account. First, make sure the password reset actually completed. Open the password reset email or message you received, and use the reset link again if necessary. Enter a completely new password rather than reusing the previous one. After changing it, close Pool Payday completely, and reopen the app before trying to sign in again. If the app keeps showing an account locked message, stop repeatedly entering the password. Multiple failed attempts can keep an account in a restricted state, and repeatedly trying different passwords makes it harder to tell whether the problem is the password or the account itself. Next, check whether Pool Payday has an account recovery or support option on the login screen. Use the same email address or phone number connected to the account. If the recovery process asks you to verify ownership, complete every requested step instead of creating a second account. There is another useful check if the password works on one device but not another. Update Pool Payday through the official App Store, then restart the device and try signing in again. An outdated app can behave differently from the current version, particularly after an account security change. If you are using Android, you can also clear Pool Payday's app cache from the device settings without deleting your account. On iPhone, the equivalent troubleshooting step is to close the app, restart the device, and check for an available app update. If none of those steps removes the lock, contact Pool Payday support through its official support channel. Include the email address or phone number associated with the account, and describe exactly what happens after the password reset. Do not send your password, verification codes, or other security credentials. So the key points are simple. Confirm the password reset completed, stop repeated login attempts, update and restart the app, and use account recovery or official support if the lock remains. Your next step is to try the login once with the newly reset password after restarting Pool Payday. If the account is still locked, use the official recovery or support option rather than creating another account. If this fixed your Pool Payday login problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.